A divided Supreme Court ultimately sided with the Trump administration on Monday. The 5-4 ruling cleared the way for the president to use a controversial centuries-old law to deport alleged members of a Venezuelan gang. The ruling was made on a technicality, though, the High Court deciding the migrants should have a hearing before they're taken from the US, only not in Washington, D.C.
The only question is which court will resolve that challenge. The detainees are confined in Texas, so venue is improper in the District of Columbia.
It comes after a Washington, D.C. judge in March blocked the use of the Alien Enemies Act, historically employed during wartime, to deport undocumented Venezuelan migrants. However, more than 230 men were already on their way to El Salvador and were placed in a maximum security prison. Lawyers for several of them have said that their clients are not gang members, have committed no crimes, and were targeted largely on the basis of their tattoos. An investigation by 60 Minutes didn't find criminal records for 75% of the deportees. Donald Trump praised the Supreme Court for its action on Monday, hailing a move that would allow a president to secure US borders and protect families. The court also temporarily halted an order requiring the administration to return by the end of the day a Salvadoran man who the government has acknowledged was deported by mistake. The 29-year-old's lawyer, however, says he's confident the case can be resolved. This is the second time in less than a week that a majority of conservative justices has handed Trump at least a partial victory after lower courts had blocked parts of his agenda.